Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to stop screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Suppose if you have enabled screen mirroring from your phone to TV, you should have used any screen mirroring app in your phone. Here, primarily, I use Google Home app. This is best option compared to all others. Okay, so if you have used Google Home app, just go to Google Home app and there you will see stop mirroring and mirroring will be stopped, that is screen mirroring will be turned off. Okay, suppose if you would like to turn off screen mirroring from your TV itself, you can do it. Okay, so what you have to do is, I first enable screen mirroring and uh, from TV itself I would like to turn off screen mirroring. So what I have to do is, with TV remote just press back button and screen mirroring will be stopped. See there. So in this way also you can stop screen mirroring. Either way you can do it from the phone itself using Google Home app, stop mirroring, or otherwise with remote just go back to the TV and yes, screen mirroring will stop. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.